I just got my new PB, which is 19.28. Yes. Everyone, this is the unboxing I've been waiting so long to do. Let's get on with it. Whoops, wrong one. Okay, right box. Yeah. 10% off, thanks 10. What have we got here? We have the YS3M ball core and the Tornado V3 Pioneer. We have the best cube from 2022 and the best cube from 2023. Let's go. Okay, bit of history first. This is my main. It's a GAN 356M and I've had it for about a year and it's been my stalwart cube for all that time. It's a bit loose at the moment, it's quite well lubed, it's very smooth. Logos come off and I've replaced it with my Ubuntu sticker, but it's been my main and I've used it in all the competitions and all the videos you've seen so far. And I've had this for about 12 months now.
Meanwhile,
which one should we open first? I think this one. Okay, so there's the cube. Nice cube cover. Box of, very big box of accessories. And let's have a quick look at the accessories box. Okay, well, we have a nice red box. We have the Tornado V3 3x3 tutorial. Hope you can read Chinese. Oh, that's a lot of algorithms. We have the credit card, proof of ownership card maybe, setting tool. That would be for the corner magnets. A cleaning cloth. The instructions on how to set it. And I understand there's a lot of settings in this one. And a nice bag. Very nice bag. I do like my bags. Bonk. And let's see first turns. And I've messed it up already. That feels very light compared to this one. Same size. It's quite dry. It's not as strong as I expected it to be. The tensions are pretty loose too. Let's have a look inside. Yeah, primary internals. Got our magnets for adjustments there. This is very light. I'm making mistakes. It's so sort of unexpected. That's going to be interesting. Very loose from my feel. Pull that in a little bit and tighten it up. I think definitely those tensions have to come in for what I like. Magnets are the auto aligning magnets. I can definitely feel them kicking in. I have a very hard turning style, I think, because I'm so used to the other one. Anyway, we'll leave that painfully unscrambled. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, it's smaller packaging. Bonk. Let's see, let's have a quick comparison. Oh no, the YS3M's bigger. Which one looks better? Interesting. I think I prefer neither of them. Okay, box is empty. We've got our accessories box here. Oh, more. No cube bag or cover, but the box is pretty sturdy. That's I don't know. Have I got that? That's not in this box. Why have we got the cube stand instructions? It's not in the box. Weird. Screwdriver. We've got the tension tool for the middle. We've got a spare purple cap. And these are the spacers to use when you are screwing it back together again, which I never want to do. All right. And instructions. How to solve a cube. I think we'll just skip that. Don't quite know how that worked. First thing I noticed is this is a smaller cube. What I found with a lot of the other similar ones is it's smaller. You know what? Maybe by a millimeter, yeah. Interesting. Okay, first thoughts. This is really light. This is not so hot. This is a little bit heavier. There's that sandy feel or sound. Straight off the bat. This one's a lot nicer for me. A lot more controllable. Yeah, this definitely needs a bit of work to tension it up. Balls. Yeah, see, I'm not overshooting that as much. Straight off the bat, I like this one better. Yeah, something about it. That feels a little bit shinier. This one feels a bit more matte. So I quite like the feel of this one, but I'm sure the matte finish is going to go after a couple of thousand sols. Definitely liking this one better. A lot more cluckiness noise. Definitely like the default tensions. I know you can't change the magnet strength, but it's quite nice. Quite like that as it is. Okay, well, let's see how we go.
A little later.
Let's start with tensioning the X-Men cube. Let's pop the centers out. Like I said, let's pop the centers out. Ouch. Dual adjustment system. Tornado V3 has 5 elasticity tensions and 5 axis distance settings. Okay, turning counterclockwise to adjust axis distance. Right, well, I definitely think I want to, definitely heaps loose for me. So it's counterclockwise to adjust axis distance. What number is that? 5. So at the moment it's on 3, on 2. Okay, so pink is 5. On 2, on 2, on 2, on 2. That feels better. Still feels mushy to me. And then the other setting is clockwise to adjust spring tension. So let's put that on 5. At the moment it's on, what's it on now? The number corresponding to the notch. They're talking about the notch here and the number at the top there, which here you can see is 5. So at the moment that's set to 5 for this compression. Let's do white. Where's the notch gone? It's the notch. So on 3, 4, 5. No, it's on 1 now. 3, 5. Okay, so pink is 5. So at least it's color coded. 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so now we're on this. Yeah, that's better. That's better for me. So fun fact, I made the mistake once in the previous cube. Took all the caps off, did a scramble, didn't know where the centers were. Had to solve it a couple of times to work out which way it went back. Put those back on. Orange. Now we've got this a bit closer to my liking. Shall we adjust these ones? I think this is all right. This may be a little bit tighter, but this feels a bit different. Whereas this one's gonna maybe corner cut a bit better as I try and work a bit faster. Yeah, I really, straight off the bat for this one.
5 minutes later.
Something I didn't notice before. So this one, if you look inside it, it's a flat surface on the edges of the cube. This one has more of scalloping and intersections and a lot more pieces that kind of groove in and grip each other. Coffee. Let's do some solves. Just a quick rough interruption to today's schedule. I've been using the YS3M as a practice cube today, along with the Tornado V3. And so with the YS3M, I just got my QiYi, which is 19.28. And you can see here, I've actually got quite a good average of 100 of 35.23, which I'm really happy with, and some really good numbers around here with my bests. So I think it's pretty clear to say. Hey, thanks for watching. You can subscribe to the channel here, and you can watch our previous unboxing video down here. Thanks. See you next time.